toilet paper by the bed? Oh, you know what that means. Bunch of dirty minds. You know what they say about big feet? Bigger opportunities for people to get jobs. Nothing but views. Jake, I want some pasta. Oh man, this place is anti-pasta. Jake, I think I should get glasses.
Why?
Because then I'll be able to see more. Jake, sometimes you're a pain in my ass. Jake, this restaurant we're going to, I heard it's out in the west. Way west. Oh my goodness. I forgot about the gum in my mouth. What if I slowly put it under the table? No one will notice. I'll be able to eat my food. Yeah, we're in the clear. Nobody saw a thing. Just kidding. It's a club that I wanna go. Careful. It's supposed to go forward, not backward.
Oh shit, the guy.
I wish there was a sign that would tell me what to do. Chase your dreams. Dreams! Dreams! Well, that was pointless. Chase your dreams, my ass. Never gonna be able to find my dreams. Dreams! 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 It was just a dream. Thank you so much for watching my vlog. Follow me on Instagram at Slovak and on Twitter at Slovak. And if anyone still has a Facebook, Slovak. Now I'm gonna go get some Crest. Yeah, you get a good Crest, because rest, Crest.